Welcome to our video on incredible health benefits of Moringa. Moringa is a plant that has been used for centuries in traditional medicine and is now gaining popularity around the world. In this video, we will explore 7 amazing benefits of Moringa that you need to know. Moringa is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. In fact, it contains more vitamin C than oranges, more vitamin A than carrots, more calcium than milk, and more iron than spinach. This makes moringa an excellent addition to any diet. Immune system boost. Moringa has antibacterial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory effects that help protect against a wide range of illness. Studies have shown that it can be effective in treating some types of bacterial infections. Anti-inflammatory effects. Moringa contains compounds that help reduce inflammation throughout the body, which can help prevent and alleviate conditions such as arthritis and heart diseases. It has also been shown to be effective in reducing the severity of asthma attacks. Lowers cholesterol. High cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease. Studies have shown that moringa can help lower cholesterol levels, which may help reduce the risk of heart diseases and stroke. Regulates blood sugar. Moringa can help regulate blood sugar levels, which is important for people with diabetes. It contains compounds that can improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels.